Hello, this is Professor Asmi Parveen from Department of Psychology, Aligarh Muslim University. Today I will continue with the topic need for research design or why we require or need a design in research. Research design is an essential tool for researchers, serving as a roadmap that guides them through every step of their study. At its core, research design provides guidance and direction by outlining the overall structure and methodology of the study. By setting clear goals, objectives, and hypotheses, it helps define the focus of the research. One of the key functions of research design is to explain the specific methods and techniques that will be employed in the study. This includes detailing how data will be collected, sampled, and analyzed. By establishing well defined protocols and procedures, research design ensures that the research process remains consistent and rigorous. This is particularly important in navigating the complexities of collecting and analyzing data accurately and with confidence. Additionally, research design guides us in the efficient allocation of resources and time. By providing a clear plan and structure, it helps researchers to allocate their resources effectively and make the most of their available time. This enables them to conduct their study in a systematic and organized manner, maximizing the chances of obtaining meaningful and impactful results. Moreover, research design facilitates the replication and extension of studies by clearly documenting the methods and procedures used. It allows other researchers to replicate their study and build upon its findings. This promotes scientific progress and contributes to the accumulation of knowledge in a particular field. One important aspect of research design is its connection to existing theories and models. By selecting and defining key variables and concepts, researchers can build upon a solid theoretical foundation. This guidance not only strengthens the study but also allows for the interpretation of findings in relation to what is already known. Moreover, ethical considerations play a significant role in research design as it ensures the protection of rights and well being of participants. Integrating ethical safeguards into the design minimizes the risk and upholds the integrity and credibility of the research. Research design also plays a crucial role in guiding the validity and reliability of the study. It guides a researcher to avoid bias and confounding variables by carefully planning the design of the study and controlling for potential sources of error. By doing so, research design enhances the credibility and trustworthiness of the findings. Furthermore, research design offers flexibility, allows researchers to adapt their approach and address unexpected challenges or new insights that may arise during the study. By incorporating mechanisms for iteration and refinement, researchers can improve their methods and enhance the robustness and validity of their findings. So, we can say the research design guides researchers to confidently explore complex topics, generate new ideas, and contribute to the understanding of the world. Another aspect why we need a research design is scope and limitation. A good research design is important for any study in outlining the scope and the limitations of the study. This is important because it keeps researchers on track and ensures that their research remains relevant. Without a clear design, the study may become too broad or unclear, leading to confusing results. In addition to outlining the study's scope, a research design also involves identifying potential limitations and challenges. These limitations can range from constraints in time and financial resources, difficulties in accessing specific data or resources. They can also include limitations with the methods or tools used in the research. By acknowledging these limitations beforehand, researchers can effectively manage expectations and provide a more accurate interpretation of their findings. Furthermore, being transparent about limitations demonstrates the researcher's commitment to conducting a thorough and honest study, which enhances trust and credibility in the research process. Researchers must have a clear understanding of the limitations of their study in order to ensure the validity and applicability of their results. It is essential for researchers to identify the specific population they studied and consider any factors that may have influenced their findings. Additionally, researchers should avoid making broad conclusions that extend beyond the scope of their study. A well planned research design is crucial for comprehending the extent of a study and acknowledging its limitations. This not only enhances the reliability of the research but also its relevance. By openly addressing these aspects, researchers can establish realistic expectations, anticipate challenges, and provide a more accurate interpretation of their results. Another reason why we need a research design is risk management. Managing risk is important to ensure the validity and reliability of study results. And research design helps to manage risk very effectively. One major risk that researchers often encounter is sample bias, which occurs when the group of people being studied does not accurately represent the larger population. To mitigate this risk, researchers employ various sampling techniques such as random sampling or stratified sampling. These methods help ensure that the sample is representative and that bias does not influence the findings. Apart from sample bias, there are external factors that can also pose risk to research. These factors may include political or economical changes, unexpected events, or technological issues that can impact the context of the study or participants. While researchers cannot control these external factors, they can minimize their impact by conducting thorough scans of the environment, staying informed about relevant developments, and making their research design flexible and adaptable to changes. Research design also allows researchers to consider the ethical implications of their study. This involves ensuring that participants fully comprehend and consent to their involvement, safeguarding their privacy, and preventing any potential harm or discomfort. By adhering to ethical guidelines and obtaining approval from review boards or ethics committees, researchers can minimize the risk of engaging in unethical practices and maintain the integrity of their research. By employing these strategies, researchers can enhance the credibility of their studies. So, research design is essential for managing risk and producing reliable and valid results. Another reason why we need a research design is interdisciplinary collaboration. This interdisciplinary collaboration is crucial for addressing complex challenges that extend beyond traditional disciplinary boundaries. When experts from different fields come together, a well designed research plan plays a key role in fostering collaboration. It provides a common framework for understanding the research goals, methods, and outcomes, allowing interdisciplinary teams to effectively combine their expertise and tackle multifaceted problems. Not only does A carefully crafted research plan facilitates collaboration, but it also aids in communication and coordination among team members throughout the research process. By clearly defining tasks, roles, and responsibilities, the plan establishes expectations and promotes accountability within the team. This reduces misunderstandings and conflicts that can arise from differences in jargon, methodologies, or approaches, making interdisciplinary collaboration more efficient and effective. Moreover, a well designed research is essential for interdisciplinary collaboration. It allows teams from different fields to come together and combine their ideas, encouraging the sharing of perspectives and methods. This collaboration helps to break down barriers between disciplines and uncover new connections that may not have been apparent before. By working together, interdisciplinary teams can promote learning across disciplines and make important discoveries that extend beyond one specific field. One key aspect of a good research design is the inclusion of diverse perspectives and methods. By incorporating different viewpoints, interdisciplinary collaborators can overcome disciplinary boundaries and gain a more comprehensive understanding of complex problems. This integrative approach allows for a more holistic analysis and can lead to groundbreaking insights that would not be possible within a single discipline. Research design plays a critical role in academic inquiry as it provides a framework for generating fresh ideas, innovation, creativity, and problem solving strategies. While research design offers structure and guidance, it also fosters creativity and innovation. One way research design promotes innovation is by prompting researchers to critically evaluate existing methods and perspectives. This process enables them to identify gaps or limitations in current approaches and develop novel and enhanced methodologies. By challenging assumptions and exploring alternative methods, researchers can push the boundaries of knowledge and uncover groundbreaking discoveries. Embracing new ideas and experimenting with diverse approaches are essential drivers of innovation in research. Research design also provides a structured framework for conducting experiments and testing hypotheses. By following a strict process, researchers are able to systematically explore new ideas and theories, ultimately advancing knowledge and making scientific progress. The emphasis on gathering evidence ensures that these innovative concepts are based on real world observations, making them more credible and impactful. This allows scientists to confidently contribute to the ever growing body of scientific understanding. Another factor is stakeholder engagement, and this stakeholder engagement is a valuable aspect of conducting research as it ensures that the study addresses the needs and concerns of those involved. This in turn enhances the relevance and impact of the research in the real world. By including stakeholders such as policymakers, practitioners, community members, and other important individuals in the research process, researchers can collaborate with them, exchange knowledge, and achieve better outcomes. Research design plays a significant role in involving stakeholders by providing opportunities for their input and participation at various stages. This can be done through interviews, group discussions, workshops, or surveys to gather feedback from different stakeholders. Actively involving stakeholders in determining the research questions, methodologies, and interpretation of results ensures that the study aligns with their interests and priorities right from the beginning. By engaging stakeholders, researchers can tap into their expertise and perspectives, which enriches the research process. Stakeholders bring valuable insights and practical knowledge that can inform the direction of the study and contribute to its success. Moreover, involving stakeholders fosters a sense of ownership and investment in the research as they become active participants rather than passive recipients of information. Furthermore, stakeholder engagement promotes transparency and accountability in research. When stakeholders are involved, there is greater transparency in decision making processes, ensuring that diverse viewpoints are considered and respected. This inclusivity helps build trust between researchers and stakeholders, creating a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued and heard. In addition, stakeholder engagement facilitates the dissemination and utilization of research findings. By involving stakeholders throughout the research process, researchers can ensure that the results are communicated effectively and tailored to the needs of different audiences. This increases the likelihood of research findings being implemented in practice, leading to tangible benefits for the stakeholders and the wider community. Research design plays a crucial role in not only conducting a study but also in ensuring that its findings have a lasting impact. Beyond the completion of the research, the knowledge gained can still be utilized to inform decision making, establish policies, and guide practices. This is made possible through the establishment of partnerships, networks, or communities of practice which facilitate ongoing communication, collaboration, and learning among researchers and those involved in the study. By fostering strong relationships and encouraging continued involvement, researchers can ensure that their work has a significant influence in the real world. Now, I will discuss the advantages of research design. To have a well designed research plan is paramount for every research. This plan serves as a roadmap, guiding the researcher in the right direction and ensuring that the study progresses smoothly. One of the main advantages of creating a research design is that it allows the researcher to think ahead and make important decisions in advance. By outlining the key steps and milestones of the study, the researcher can anticipate potential challenges and devise strategies to overcome them. Another advantage of having a research design is that it prevents aimless searching and collecting of data. With a clear design in place, the researcher knows exactly what information they need to gather and where to find it. This not only saves time and efforts but also ensures that the data collected is relevant and useful for the study. Without a research design, the researcher may end up wasting valuable resources on unnecessary or irrelevant data. Additionally, a research plan helps to set boundaries for the research activities. By defining the scope and objectives of the study, the researcher can focus their efforts on the most important task. This prevents them from getting sidetracked or overwhelmed by unrelated information. With a clear sense of direction, the researcher can allocate their time and resources more effectively, maximizing the chances of success. Moreover, having clear research objectives is essential for working systematically towards achieving them. A research design outlines the specific objectives and outcomes that the researcher aims to achieve. This provides a sense of purpose and direction, motivating the researcher to stay focused and dedicated throughout the study. By breaking down the objectives into smaller, manageable tasks, the researcher can work step by step towards their ultimate goal. Additionally, our research design helps the researcher to anticipate and address potential challenges that may arise during the research process. By defining and measuring concepts as well as collecting data, researchers can ensure accuracy and reliability in their findings. This systematic approach not only reduces errors but also saves time and resources. A well designed research plan enables researchers to focus their efforts on gathering reliable and trustworthy information. By following clear guidelines, they can minimize wasted time and money. This ensures that their research is efficient and effective, leading to more meaningful conclusions. Moreover, a good research design plays a crucial role in the development of theories and the generation of useful knowledge. By carefully designing a study, researchers can draw meaningful conclusions and make connections between different variables. This allows for the creation of theories that have practical applications and can contribute to advancements in various fields. Now, we can conclude that research design is a crucial aspect of every study as it serves as a guide for the entire research process. By carefully planning and considering the design, researchers can determine what they want to study and how they will go about doing it. This includes determining the most effective methods for collecting and analyzing data, ensuring that the research is conducted with care and accuracy. As a result, the findings can be trusted and relied upon. In addition to ensuring the validity of the research, a well thought out research design also ensures that the findings are relevant and applicable in the real world. Researchers take into account factors such as the participants included in the study, the conditions that are set up, and the variables that are controlled. By doing so, the findings can be generalized to a wide range of situations rather than being limited to just the specific context of the study. This makes the research more significant and meaningful both in terms of academic theory and practical applications. Furthermore, a strong research design allows for the replication and verification of the study by other researchers. This fosters a culture of honesty and responsibility in scientific research, as it encourages transparency and accountability. It also promotes the advancement of knowledge as other researchers can build upon existing findings and expand upon them. Collaboration among scientists is encouraged, leading to a collective effort in pushing the boundaries of understanding. This is all. Thank you.